a professional beggar and a professional batman. That's what me say police. TikTok police, you can't call my name. You can't style me. No boy we a walk and never own a vehicle in them life can't chat to me. You're only what, 20 something or 30, whatever you be, and you are drunk. All you do is drink rum for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, rub out your liquor dirty and miggle, bleach your face, go in a Batman inbox and go show them your penis for 20 cents. TikTok police, you are a 20-cent Batman. That's what you are. You are nothing but a 20-cent big sad Batman. You are a 20-cent sad Batman, 20-cent licky boy, 20-cent rub out your hand miggle, 20-cent drink rum for you wake up in the morning till you got your bed. You can't talk to me. You cannot talk to me, police. You are a bum. Police, you are a TikTok police. You are a dirty bum. That's what we call people like you in America, a bum. From the moment you wake up in the morning, you drink rum, you rub out your hand miggle, and you bleach your face, and then you jump on TikTok and in a play tenge in a the Batman them inbox. You can't chat to me, police. I said what I said and I meant what I said. I said all the followers that you have are Blinga gear. You didn't create no followers by yourself because you don't have no substance. You don't have no style. You are a bum. TikTok police, you are a bum. You are a certified bum. Your lifestyle is getting up in the morning, drink rum from your get up until you go drink rum and bull. Your brain fry. Pretty soon your penis now gonna have no strength in it. You can't argue with me, police.